to a live story time with Miss Ferreira and my friend Eddie the elephant. We're excited for today's story because we are going on an adventure through the forest. We're going to meet lots of different animals, but especially one monkey that needs some help. So let's sit up smart and do our wiggle song so we can start our story. I wiggle my fingers and I wiggle my toes. I wiggle my ears and I wiggle my nose. Now there are no more wiggles in me. I can sit as quiet as can be. Today's story is called Monkey Puzzle. Our author is Julia Donaldson and our illustrator, Axel Scheffler, drew the lovely pictures inside this book. Here is our book's spine, and on our back cover we can read the blurb. It says, "I've lost my mum. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her," said Butterfly. But somehow, Butterfly keeps getting it wrong. Will Monkey ever find his mum? Let's find out. Monkey Puzzle. I've lost my mum. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. No, that's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great, thick, baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils round trees. She coils round trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, that's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. No, that's a spider. Mum isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops, way up high. She lives in the trees? You should have said. Your mummy's hiding above your head. No, that's a parrot. Mum's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. Aha! I've got it. She leaps about. She's just round the corner, without a doubt. No, that's a frog. Butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, no, no! That's a bat! Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you, she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mum's not little? Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No, no, no! That's the elephant again! Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures looks like me. You never told me she looks like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't. You see, none of my babies look like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, no, no! That's my dad! Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mum. What a lovely story about so many different animals. It really makes me think about the life cycle of a butterfly. Maybe your mum looks really similar to you, but some animals look very different to their parents. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye.